Hello children, myself Princey Christian. Continuing our GK topic, the next topic we have is topic number 7, sweet cinnamon. Synonyms means the words, different words with the same meaning. मतलब दो अलग अलग वर्ड पर उनके मतलब अगर एक हो तो उन्हें हम क्या कहेंगे? Synonyms. Synonyms are words with the same meaning as another but with the different implications. Just like I said, different words having same meaning are known as synonyms. Now here is a kind of a letter. Let's read it. Dear Karan, I am pleased to let you know that my birthday party will be held in my residence on Sunday next, the 20th of August in the evening. You must be present at the party without fail. No excuse will do. Try to find time to spend some pleasant hours among us. Your presence on that occasion will be a great pleasure to all of us. Moreover, there will be arrangement for music and dance. You will be happy to meet many of your bosom friends. I am eager to meet you and all other friends more when we meet. Lots of love and best wishes to you. Yours ever, Ria. Now here we have a girl named Ria who has written a letter to her friend Karan. She is inviting Karan to her birthday party. Now here in exercise 1 we have been given some words, okay, and we have to find their synonyms from this given लेटर. हमें इस लेटर में से वर्ड्स ढूंढने हैं जो इन वर्ड्स के सिनोनिम्स हो, यानी कि जिनके मीनिंग इनके जैसे हो, सेम टू सेम. From the letter given above, find words which mean the same as given below. Like I said, we have to find the words which have the same meaning just as the words given here. So first one is happy. So which word can be used as a synonym for happy? Pleased. So here in this bracket I will write Pleased. Pleased. Number 2, home. Home, that means the place where you live, your residence. So from the letter here the synonym of home will be residence. 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 Number 3, attempt. 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 Which will be the synonym for the word attempt? The synonym for the word attempt will be try. 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 Number 4, KEEN. Keen. Keen is the synonym of the word eager, यानी कि उत्सुक, बहुत ही excited जो होते हैं वैसे. Spelling will be EAGER. Eager. Number 5, companions. Companions यानी साथीदार. साथीदार के लिए और क्या वर्ड यूज होता है? दोस्त. दोस्तों को हम इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं? फ्रेंड्स. So the synonym for companions will be FRIENDS. Friends. Lastly, number 6, plan. प्लान का यहाँ पे सिनोनिम क्या दिया हुआ है हमें बेटू? Here we have been given the synonym arrangement. The spelling will be ARRANGEMENT. T. Arrangement. Let us see again. Happy, pleased. Home, residence. Attempt, try. Keen, eager. Companions, friends. Plan, arrangement. Now look at the next question. Write the synonyms for the following words. The first letter of the synonym has been given as a clue. Now we have been given some words. हमें उनके synonyms write करने हैं and the first letter of the synonym has already been given to us. Number 1, bad. Bad यानी बुरा. So the synonym for bad can be evil. Spelling of evil will be EVIL. Evil. Number 2, clothes. Clothes का synonym क्या होगा? Attire. 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 The synonym of clothes is attire. Next, number 3, help. What will be the synonym of help? Assist. 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 Number 4, rude. Rude means not talking politely. Not polite, that means impolite. Spelling will be IMPOLITE. Impolite. Number 5, success. So the synonym beginning with V for success is victory. 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 Number 6, costly. Costly यानी बहुत ही महंगा. सो जो चीज़ महंगी होती है उसके लिए हम क्या वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं? एक्सपेंसिव. EXPENSIVE. Expensive. Number 7, big. Big means large, बहुत बड़ा. So here we have to write the synonym from the letter H. So the word we can write is HUGE. Huge. Number 8, mistake. Mistake यानी गलती. The synonym for mistake has to be written from the letter E. What can be the synonym from E? Error. 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 Number 9, lazy. Lazy यानी आलसी, जो खाली बैठे रहते हैं, कुछ काम नहीं करते. तो जो काम नहीं करते उनको क्या कहते हैं? idle. 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 Number 10, smell. Smell means a fragrance. खुशबू या बदबू जो कह लो. What will be the synonym for smell starting from O? Odor. ODOUR. Odor. Again let's read. Bad, evil, clothes, attire, and also there is one more word starting from A. You can write apparel. APPAREL. Help, assist, rude, impolite, success, victory, costly, expensive, big, huge, mistake, error, lazy, idle, smell, odor. We also have a fact bite here. I is the most common word in spoken English. In spoken English, I is the mostly commonly used word. Now next topic we have is topic number 8, tell tales. Now what is the meaning of tales? The meaning of tales is story yani kahani. So tell tales means to tell a story. Here are the hints to some famous stories, novels or plays. Write their names and the names of the authors. Now we have been given the names about hints about some of the famous stories and novels and plays. What we have to do, we have to read these hints, we have to understand them, and then we have to write what is the name of the story and who is the ऑथर की कहानी कौन सी है, ये प्ले कौन सा है और उसे किसने लिखा है. दैट वी हैव टू राइट. लेट्स बिगिन. नंबर 1. This series of children's stories featured 5 young detectives who lived on Kirin Island. Now, this is a series of children's stories, okay, that featured 5 young detectives. Okay, there were 5 young detectives, and the detectives lived on Kirin Island. It is a series of a children's story. Now, what is the name of this story? The name of this story is The Famous Five. Not actually not the, but as it was a proper noun, I used the. But name of the story will be Famous Five. And who wrote the story? The story was written by Enid Blyton. Who wrote the story? The name of the story is Famous Five, and the writer of the story is Enid Blyton. Number 2. This story of a whale begins with the lines, "Call me Ishmael." Now, this is the story about about a whale which begins with the lines, "Call me Ismail." The name of the story is Moby Dick, and it was written by Herman Melville. Which is the story? The name of the story is Moby Dick, and the author is Herman Melville. Next, number 3. This play has a historic character, Brutus, who assassinates his friend, the Emperor of Rome. Now, this story is based around an historical character. Okay, historic character पे based है ये story. उस character का नाम क्या है? Brutus. What did Brutus do? He assassinated his friend who was the Emperor of Rome. What is the name of the story? The story is Julius Caesar, and the author is William Shakespeare. We all know William Shakespeare was a great author. Again, what is the name of the story? Julius Caesar, and the author is William Shakespeare. Number 4. This famous novel begins with the words, "It was the best of times, it was the worst of times." Now, this is a famous novel, and it begins with the words, "It was the best of times, it was the worst of times." The name of this novel, the story is Tales of Two Cities, and the author of it is Charles Dickens. Again, the name of the novel is Tales of Two Cities, and the author is Charles Dickens. Number 5. Story of a statue gilded with gold, eyes made up of 2 bright sapphires, and a large red ruby glowed on his sword hilt. This is a story about a statue which was gilded with gold. The eyes of the statue were built with 2 bright sapphire stones, and there was a large red ruby in his sword hilt. The name of this story is The Happy Prince, and it is written by Oscar Wilde. Next, number 6. This book about prehistoric animals was the basis for a very popular film in 1993. Now, this is the book about prehistoric animals, and based on the book, a popular film was released in 1993. Here we are talking about the book Jurassic Park, written by Michael Crichton. ही हैड रिटन द जुरासिक पार्क, और उसके बाद जुरासिक पार्क बुक से इंस्पायर होके बहुत सी मूवीज़ बनी है रिलेटेड टू इट. वी हैव ऑल वॉच्ड दीज मूवीज़, राइट. द बुक इज जुरासिक पार्क, रिटन बाय माइकल क्रिस्टन. Number 7. In which play would you meet Antonio, Shylock, Portia and Jessica? Now this is a play in which there are the characters named Antonio, Shylock, Portia and Jessica. What was the name of this play? The name of this play is Merchant of Venice, and it is written by William Shakespeare. Again, name of the play is Merchant of Venice, written by William Shakespeare. Lastly, number 8. This is the story of a poor orphan boy who is adopted by Mr. Brownlow. Now this is a story about a poor boy who is also an orphan. Orphan yani anath, and he was adopted by Mr. Brownlow. The name of the story is Oliver Twist, and it is written by Charles Dickens. Name of the story is Oliver Twist. The author is Charles Dickens. Let us repeat again which stories and which authors we learnt about. The first one was The Famous Five, written by Enid Blyton. Number 2, Moby Dick, written by Herman Melville. Number 3, Julius Caesar, written by William Shakespeare. Number 4, Tales of Two Cities, written by Charles Dickens. Number 5, The Happy Prince, written by Oscar Wilde. Number 6, Jurassic Park, written by Michael Crichton. Number 7, Merchant of Venice, written by William Shakespeare. And number 8, Oliver Twist, written by Charles Dickens. Now we have a fact about here. In the play Hamlet, Shakespeare played the role of the ghost of Hamlet's father. Now there was a play named Hamlet. In that play, Shakespeare played the role of the ghost Hamlet's father. जो ghost था Hamlet, उसके father का role किसने किया था? It was played by Shakespeare. So children, this was all in today's video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.